today, आज की तारीख में quantum physics and quantum mechanics is becoming very, very important. And briefly, quantum astrology or quantum mechanics says अगर दो particles बहुत दूर दूर भी हैं, they are, I mean, I cannot explain the whole thing because I'm trying to read it. दो particles बहुत दूर दूर भी हैं, two particles even if they're very far away, separated by light years, but वो एक दूसरे को affect करते हैं. अगर एक पार्टिकल में कोई इफेक्ट हुआ तो दूसरे पार्टिकल में भी कोई इफेक्ट आएगा. दैट इज व्हाट इट इज देयर. इट हैज बीन वेरी क्लियरली बीन proved and seen, and that is known as quantum entanglement, which is known as quantum entanglement. And measuring of the property, एक प्रॉपर्टी में मेजर करेंगे एक पार्टिकल में तो दूसरे पार्टिकल की प्रॉपर्टी भी वैसी होगी. अगर एक की चेंज होगी दूसरे की चेंज होगी, चाहे लाइट ईयर्स में कितना फर्क हो. So this is where astrology has probably even started. I was reading a book on quantum mechanics and consciousness. बहुत पुरानी किताब है, मैं देख रहा था, which is written by Ravi V. Gomatan, and he's from San Francisco Bhakti Deva Institute. And one thing which Galileo at that time, which is written in the book, is he said, sometimes I think I would let them imprison me in a place 1,000 feet beneath the earth where there is no light that could reach me, if in exchange I could find out what that stuff is. What that stuff is? Light. मतलब मेरे को आप जमीन में ऐसी जगह डाल दीजिए जो वहां बिल्कुल लाइट नहीं हो, करोड़ों कितने किलोमीटर नीचे हो, बिल्कुल लाइट की एक जगह अर्थ के अंदर डाल दीजिए जहां लाइट पहुंच ही नहीं सकते हो. वहां भी मैं सोचूंगा, बैठूंगा कि ये लाइट किस चीज से बनी हुई है. सो दैट वाज व्हाट वाज सेड लॉन्ग टाइम बैक, एंड दिस इज वन बुक व्हिच इज रीडिंग व्हिच हैज दिस written right in the beginning. So this is what is quantum physics or quantum mechanics, and this book was written which I had read long time back, जो कि मैंने 19 year, this book was 1950s की है मेरे ख्याल से, 1992 में published है. This book was published in 1992, उसके पहले भी publish हुई है. So it is at that time, it was quantum mechanics was at that time at that level. Now if I was reading latest books on quantum mechanics and quantum physics, इसमें things are changing and you can see things which are happening which actually tell about astrology. Now astrology's relationship with planet is not that planets affect you. Planets जो है, जब आप पैदा होते हैं तो एक entanglement करते हैं, एक matrix बनाते हैं जो कि आपको एक patterned correlation, एक correlate करता है, आपको एक pattern को correlate करता है और उसको physical form में फिर वो manifest करती है जब आप इस दुनिया में पैदा होते हैं. There is a very complicated matrix which is there, which we need to understand. That is why astrology is not perfect. Once we understand that, astrology will become totally perfect, because कौन सा पार्टिकल किसको कौन सा इफेक्ट कर रहा है, कैसे इफेक्ट कर रहा है, कैसे चेंज हो रहा है, क्या हो रहा है, क्या नहीं हो रहा है, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इज ऑल अबाउट, व्हाट वी कॉल अबाउट कर्म लेके आ रहे हैं. प्रारब्ध कर्म है, क्रियामान कर्म है, और जो बहुत सारी चीजें हम जो पढ़ते हैं, इट इज ऑल related to all this. I can see it moving. These are like जिसे कहते हैं एक patterned synchronized marker है जो कि चल रहा है, एक cosmic entanglement है. Not that the planets are causing हमारे उसको कर रहे हैं. So this is what is quantum physics जो आजकल पढ़ रहे हैं लोग. और अब तो even the latest is about the algorithms जो बन रहे हैं, जो मैट्रिक्स एल्गोरिथम बन रहे हैं क्वांटम फिजिक्स में, क्वांटम मैकेनिक्स में जो एल्गोरिथम्स बन रहे हैं, दे आर एक्चुअली शोइंग वेरियस इम्पैक्ट्स, हाउ पार्टिकल्स are getting impacted and how things are getting impacted in terms of consciousness. So this entire thing of astrology, and we are getting slowly to it. It's still in the research stage, still in the lab stage. I may not be there, but one day we will understand how things do get impacted. Water playing a very important role, in terms of a lot of other things, and then we get into the various elements, etc., and how we get formed. All that is related. All that is related, and that is also related by it is being produced in our books of quantum physics, quantum mechanics, that how the molecules in the water get changed with thoughts, etc. So all that gets related also. So astrology is there. We only know a very small iota part of it, by which we try to, हम लोग human beings को affect करते हैं. We've lost it somewhere, but it is there. It is getting found, and science will put a stamp on it and make us understand why astrology is also scientific. A lot has to be discovered. It is in the process, believe me. So that is how is astrology. But yes, whatever we know, by that we should take advantage of this science for the current generation, for the previous generation, for the alpha generation, beta generation, whatever you call it. We can make use of it to make our lives better. Ultimately, what is important is you being contented and being happy. That is what Jupiter, the planet, tells you. आप कुछ भी करिए, आप अरबपति बन जाइए और आप में happiness नहीं है, that is not the right matrix for you. And we are all in that bucket, all of us. So I would request you, all of you, to read a lot before. जिनको पता है, जो पढ़ चुके हैं, वो बोलें, reels बनाएं, so that I get educated from them. It's my wish. Thanks. Bye for now.